Hello student. Today we are going to continue with exercise 2.1. Question 6 is 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 1 plus 7. 8x plus 4 equals 3x minus 3 plus 7. 8x plus 4 equals 3x plus 4. Now transpose 3x to the left-hand side. 8x plus 4 minus 3x equals 4. 5x plus 4 is equal to 4. Now subtract 4 from both sides. 5x plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 4 minus 4. 5x equals 0. X equals 0. Therefore, the value of x is 0. Question 7 is x equals 4 by 5, x plus 10. To multiply each term of the equation by 5. 5x equals 4, x plus 10. 5x equals 4x plus 40. Now transpose 4x to the left-hand side. 5x minus 4x equals 40. X equals 40. Therefore, the value of x is 40. Question 8 is 2x by 3 plus 1 equals 7x by 15 plus 3. Now multiply each term of the equation by 15. We get 15 into 2x by 3 plus 1 equals 15 into 7x by 15 plus 3. 10x plus 15 equals 7x plus 45. Now transpose 7x to the left-hand side. 10x minus 7x plus 15 is equal to 45. 3x plus 15 is equal to 45. Now subtract 15 from both sides. 3x plus 15 is equal to 45 minus 15. 3x equals 30. To divide each term by 3. 3x by 3 is equal to 30 by 3. X equals 10. Therefore, the value of x is 10. Question 9 is 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. Now multiply each term of the equation with 3. 3 into 2y plus 5 by 3 equals 3 into 26 by 3 minus y. 6y plus 5 is equal to 26 minus 3y. Now transpose minus 3y to the left-hand side. 6y plus 5 plus 3y is equal to 26. 9y plus 5 is equal to 26. Now subtract 5 from both sides. 9y plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 26 minus 5. 9y equals 21. Now divide each term by 9. 9y by 9 is equal to 21 by 9. Y equals 7 by 3. Therefore, the value of y is 7 by 3. Question 10 is 3m equals 5m minus 8 by 5. Now transpose 5m to the left-hand side. 3m minus 5m equals minus 8 by 5. Minus 2m equals minus 8 by 5. Now divide each term by minus 2. Minus 2m by minus 2 equals minus 1 by 2, minus 8 by 5. M equals 4 by 5. Therefore, the value of m is 4 by 5. Thanks for watching.